All right, I had some students ask me how to make their text move. So I'm going to show you how. All right, the first thing you want to do is make sure you're in your WeVideo account. And what you're going to do is just remember the tabs. I have the name of my video here. Right next to this is your main menu. This is where you can save. All right, just a few reminders on how to do things. My media is where you have uploaded all of your pictures or GIFs, text. All right, so I'm on the text tab. Remember, you want to be using the free text. So you're going to go to static. All right, static is where you have a couple of these free texts that I told you about in class. All right, so I'm going to go to sample text and I'm going to drag it down onto my text track. All right, now I'm going to double click on it to open up this window where I'm going to be able to animate it. All right, over here is the text properties. Oh, it's this little ball, text properties and animation. There's two different things we can do here. So the first we're going to do is text properties. I'm going to change my text here, and I'm just going to write my name. Okay, your lyrics there. This is where we can change how our text looks. I'm going to pick a different font, not just the font that was there when I opened it up. I'm going to bold it. Maybe you don't have to, but you can try it out. Try the different features out. Italicize, underline, want. Okay, this is where you change your text color. Okay, you don't have to keep it on white, but if you're putting it on top of a picture, you want to make sure that you can actually see it. Okay, you can line a picture up underneath your text on the track, which I'll show you in a minute. You can change the background color of it. Okay, so that would also make it pop. And you can also change the background of the whole entire thing. So I can drag this. It's like a text box. Make it a little bit bigger. Okay, maybe I'll change this as well so it matches. All right. Okay, now I want to make this move. Also, by the way, you can also make the size of this a little bigger font. But now it's nice and big. You can space your words. You can change the height here. I'm not going to actually do any of that. Another thing right here, right above the little text box is where we can change the angle of our text. And this is a lot like Word. So if you wanted to have it come up on a curve like this, you could do that. So I'm actually going to just leave that there right now. And I'm going to go over now to animation. So I'm going to click on the animation. And you have the start and end. So I want it to move. That's the whole point of the start and end. So I want it to start somewhere and end somewhere. So I'm going to have it start maybe a little bit farther away and come in. So I'm going to move the scale back. So that looks a little odd, but anyway, this is just an example. So I'm going to have it start out in the background there, and I'm going to have it end big this. Okay, and this can be moved around. All right, I'm going to have it end that. Now when I hit play, it does that. Okay, it's going to go all the way big. You might be asking, why is it so slow? And the reason it's so slow is because on track, I have the text box lasting for a long time on track. All right. So down here on the bottom is the slider, which I told you about. This is so we can really very exact on how many seconds we want something to last. So I can make this go much shorter. And now when I hit play, it's faster. It goes away faster. And if I double click on it, I can change this. Make sure you hit save changes. And I can go back and go up here to text properties. I can change the color, the font. Also this, I can also center it, right? Align center. There's all kinds of things you can do. You just got to play around with it, okay? So that's how you work with your font and your text boxes.